Hello guys and welcome back to Shopify theme development tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss about the 404 template which renders page content that is shown to the customer if and only if they enter an invalid store URL or the page they are looking for doesn't exist. So in our website. So how is a 404 page created? So let's see. For example, I want to search something like this. Then it will show this 404 simple, minimalistic, 404 page not found, and continue shopping in that case. So very simple. It's very simple. We are not going to do this whole thing in detail. It is this minimal code we can implement, and if in case we can add more custom code over here, but that's the minimal we can use. So we can simply use this 404 and we can put some image over here, beautiful looking image, but that's completely optional. It's up to you. If you want to make it such, you can do it as per your own wish, but yeah, that's optional to you. And I'm gonna show it to you actually. So main 404, and we can add beautiful sections over here with image. Again, if the JSON template is allowed, you can add an image, and uh, in the 404 template you can say that, well, anything. You can say like uh, sorry, but the page you are looking for does not exist, right? So I'm not going to make this whole tutorial big enough so that it's lengthy. I just wanted to discuss that 404 page exists, and you can do it in this very simple way. You can add your own code and make it look nice and good, and overall, yeah, it's up to you to design it in your own fashion. So that is it for that covers our whole templates, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to discuss about sections and how how to create sections and how to create a custom section. If you want to create a custom section from scratch, for example, if you want to create a slider out of scratch, and how can you do that? If you want to create timeline out of scratch, how can you do that? All right, and I'll tell you some tips and tricks using ChatGPT. Also, we can use ChatGPT to create some custom code and help with the sections also. All right, so probably that would be an interesting tutorial which you would like, I believe. So yeah, looking forward for next tutorial, and thank you so much guys, and I'll see you next time.